The price of Arweave increased over 40% in one day and over 170% in 1 month. So Arweave is starting to break out, but how high is the potential of Arweave for the bull run? In this video I will talk about Arweave and share my price prediction. So let's go straight into the content. Arweave is on place 59 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $1.5 billion. The coin is existent since 2020 and we saw the all-time high in 2021. And after we built the all-time high, we then saw this crash to lower levels. Then we saw this consolidation here for a long time. And in the last days we saw this bullish breakout. And we also broke this supply zone to the upside. This supply zone which was major resistance. And if we find acceptance over this supply zone, the chance that we can see even higher prices is very high. So this is the first really bullish sign for Arweave. And if we can continue this bullish move, the next really interesting price target is this high right here. Because after this highs, we saw this crash to lower levels. And if we're breaking this potential price target of $42, then the next major price target is of course the all-time high at $91. But the best coins are also exploding over the last all-time high. And I think the chances high that Arweave can explode over the all-time high, because I think Arweave is a great project with a very nice potential. And to calculate some potential price targets, we are using the Fibonacci tool from the swing high to the swing low. And then we are seeing this potential price targets. And if we have a look at the 2.618 Fibonacci, we would have a price target of $232. And from the prices right now to this kind of price target, we would have potential over 800%. And if we would reach the 3.618 Fibonacci, we would have a price target of $390. And from the prices right now to this kind of price target, we would have potential over 1,200%. And I think this kind of price targets are very realistic for the next bull run. Because if we have a look at the market cap, we just have a market cap of $1.5 billion. And if we would compare the market cap of Arweave right now to the all-time high of VeChain, we would have potential over 10x and a price target of $259. And if we can continue this bullish momentum on the total crypto market cap, then the chances high that we could see even higher prices. And if we have a look at the total market cap of the altcoins, you can see that we have a lot of potential to the upside. So right now Bitcoin is pumping and the chance that the altcoins can lag and move to the upside again is also very high. And especially with the now approved Bitcoin spot ETF, the chances high that much retailers and big institutions are coming into the market. And for the next time, it's really important that we are breaking the 0.236 Fibonacci, because right now, as you can see, we're finding some resistance. And if we are breaking this level to the upside, then the next really interesting price area is this one right here. So we have a very interesting supply zone right here. But this is the very next interesting price target. And if we are breaking this one also to the upside, then the chance is also high that we can see even higher prices. And if you want to get daily updates on the crypto market or altcoins like Arweave, then join my free Telegram group. You'll find a link in the description. So we looked for potential long-term and short-term price targets, and now we are looking for potential buy areas for Arweave. And as you can see, we are clearly in a bullish trend, and I think the chances high that we can see even higher prices just from this zone. But for a very nice potential trade, I would wait if we come back to lower levels. And if we come back to this last high right here, the chance that we find some support is very high. And of course, we have this demand zone right here. So if we come back into this demand zone, the chance that we continue the bullish trade is very high. And also if we are using the Fibonacci tool, you can see that we have the 0.618 Fibonacci right here at this last high. And we have the 0.786 Fibonacci in this zone. So I think this is a great potential long area for Arweave. But as I also said, I think the chance is also high that we could see much higher prices just from this high, because Bitcoin is right now very bullish and the altcoins will explode after Bitcoin exploded. But as I said, if we come back into this zone and see a bullish reaction, I think this is a great long area. So all in all, I think Arweave is a great project with a very nice potential. We now saw the first really bullish breakout out of this zone. And I think the chances high that we could see much higher prices, and the next target is this supply zone right here. And I think prices around $250 to $300 are very realistic for the next bull run. But of course, guys, don't invest your whole money into one coin and have a good risk management. So thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.